God created the universe. The earth was formless and desolate. The raging ocean that covered everything was engulfed in total darkness, and the power of God was moving over the water. Then God commanded, "Let there be light," and the light appeared. God was pleased with what he saw. He separated the light from the darkness, and he named the light Day, and the darkness Night. Evening passed, and morning came. That was the first day. Then God commanded, "Let there be a dome to divide the water and keep it in 2 separate places," and it was done. So God made a dome, and separated the water under it from the water above it. He named the dome Sky. Evening passed and morning came. That was the second day. Then God commanded, "Let the water below the sky come together in one place, so that the land will appear." And it was done. He named the land Earth, and the water which had come together he named Sea. And God was pleased with what he saw. Then he commanded, "Let the earth produce all kinds of plants, those who bear grain and those who bear fruit." And it was done. So the earth produced all kinds of plants, and God was pleased with what he saw. Evening passed and morning came. That was the third day. Then God commanded, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate day from night." So God made 2 larger lights, the sun to rule over the day, and the moon to rule over the night. He also made stars. And God was pleased with what he saw. Evening passed and morning came. That was the 4th day. Then God commanded, "Let the water be filled with many kinds of living beings, and let the air be filled with birds." So God created the great sea monsters, and all kinds of creatures that lived in the water, and all kinds of birds. And God was pleased with what he saw. Evening passed and morning came. That was the 5th day. Then God commanded, "Let the earth produce all kinds of animal life, domestic, wild, large and small." And it was done. So God made them all. He was pleased with what he saw. Then God said, "And now we make human beings. They will be like us and resemble us. They will have power over the fish, the birds and all the animals, domestic, large, wild and small." So God created human beings, making them like himself. He created them male and female. God looked at everything he had made, and he was very pleased. Evening passed and morning came. That was the 6th day. And so the whole universe was completed.